Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another Style Marc Floral Crate holiday class. I am here with the wonderful Fallon Carter.
Thank you for having me.
So much for joining us today.
Delicious.
Guys, Fallon is an amazing wedding planner extraordinaire and destination planner. So we are going to create a really simple red holiday floral arrangement out of roses, pine cones, and berries today. We're using gold 4x4 containers, which actually Fallon and I already pre-prepped for you guys so that the class can go a little faster. The berries and the pine cones, again, you can find those at Michael's. And the roses, obviously, at your local florist, or even here in New York, our local bodegas. Okay?
And what should we do when we're bringing those roses home? Any special care?
So to clean your roses, basically you want to get a knife from your kitchen, or if you have a pair of scissors, you want to actually pull a stem. Sometimes if they have thorns on them, you want to clean off all the thorns on there as well, right? And then what you want to do is you give it a 45-degree cut and you pop it in water, all right? And if they're really tight and closed, put it in lukewarm water.
Oh.
That would be great, and they'll open up faster. We're using actually 2 different types to 3 different types of holiday fir. I like using a mixture because it's a little bit more visually interesting. And as I said, Fallon and I have already prepped our containers, so we're gonna start popping in the roses. So we're gonna actually give it a nice little cut and start cleaning. Fallon, you need to cut your roses.
Yes.
Guys,
you said 45 degree. I got it.
45 degree right. And then we're gonna pop them in, right? And actually, if you give it a little bit perfect, so we're gonna actually go from remember, we're gonna actually go from right to left. We're gonna kind of crisscross across.
Oh.
It's a basic way to actually create a nice form and a nice shape for your flower arrangement. Basically, as you can see, I've just gone from right to left, and then I'm gonna twist it around, and we're gonna take another rose, and we're gonna do the opposite. So like an X, basically, like an X. Just gonna do that really quickly. See, and you see how I've just done that X right there, guys? So you can see how I'm already creating my shape. And then I'm gonna just fill in my sides, all right?
Perfect. This is so quick and easy.
So you can see in less than 2 minutes, Fallon and I have created our little floral centerpieces. So we're gonna accent them, right? So we're gonna take our pine cones.
I want berries.
And she wants her berries, guys. So I'm gonna take some pine cones, do that. Take some pine cones here on the sides. I'm gonna pop my berries in. I like breaking it up a little bit, like 1, 2.
Oh, I see.
I'm gonna do a little 3 down here. And I'm just adding in all 4 of mine. And voila. Okay, Fallon, she's coming. Fallon's coming along. And as you can see, guys, we've just kind of created in less than 3 minutes this really lovely centerpiece that's super inexpensive and really easy to make. That could be for your dining room table for the holiday. It could be on your bedside, on your nightstand, would be really something beautiful. These are very quick and inexpensive floral arrangements that you can make that are very nice and fun, all right?
I love it.
So Fallon, thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me. This is great.
You see the rose she's keeping in her hair, guys. So
Shush.
it's fun. So
That.
it's all about holidays. It's all about the holidays.
Giving.
So thank you guys for joining us. We look forward to you joining us for the next Style Marc Floral class. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey all, thanks for checking out the Style Marc. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. We'd love to hear what you guys think.